In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print your bills using QuickBooks Online. This process is straightforward, but ensuring you follow each step correctly will make the task a breeze. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to open QuickBooks Online. You can do this by navigating to your preferred web browser and typing in the QuickBooks URL. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the site layout if this is your first visit. You'll find that QuickBooks has a user-friendly interface designed to make managing your finances as easy as possible. Once you're on the QuickBooks homepage, the next step is to locate and click on the menu. This is your gateway to all of QuickBooks features. On most versions of the platform, you'll find the menu button at the top of your screen or along the left side panel. Clicking this will reveal a variety of options, each designed to help you manage different aspects of your finances. With the menu open, your next move is to click on Expenses. In QuickBooks, expenses are a crucial feature that helps you track what you owe and to whom. By selecting Expenses, you're telling QuickBooks that you want to deal with the financial transactions related to your business or personal finances. This section contains a detailed list of all your recorded expenses, making it easier to access the specific records you need. After you've entered the Expenses section, you'll see various options. Here, you want to find and click on Bills. Doing so directs QuickBooks to show you all the bills that have been entered into the system. You'll see an organized list of all your suppliers, the amounts owed, and their due dates. Navigating this section is quite intuitive, but if it's your first time, consider exploring a bit to get comfortable with where everything is. Now that you're viewing your bills, it's time for the final step, printing. Locate the Print button, which is typically found at the top of your bill list or through an options menu associated with the bill section. Clicking this button will prepare your selected bills for printing. Before you proceed, ensure your printer is connected and ready to go. You might want to adjust print settings according to your preferences, such as selecting which bills to print or choosing specific details to include in the printout. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully printed your bills using QuickBooks Online. Remember, the key to a smooth experience is to take each step one at a time, confidently exploring each feature. If you make a mistake, don't worry. QuickBooks allows you to navigate back and forth easily, letting you get it right. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy printing!